It generates a lot of energy. Actually, it's not very good thing to do it in the evening. You might go to sleep and then you have all this energy. Opens the lower back, all the tension there, it releases. And then you can exhale and again stretch out the legs, shake them out, or separate it. It's not really, doesn't matter. It's always fingertips. And then you shake out again. What I used to give from the Kundalini Yoga tradition. Exhale. Yes. And the breathing is separate from the movement of the knees up and down. Yeah. It's just warming up. But try to stay as low as possible. Also bouncing up and down on the knees and push them a little bit. Yes. And as you exhale, front, and then let the head hang. Yes. So yeah. As you exhale, you use your fingertips to push yourself straight again, and slightly you walk with the fingertips together with the movement. So when we inhale, this is cow. When we exhale, this is the cat. And the head into downward facing dog. So your legs have to carry all the weight. Inhale, ball of your toes. Exhale, flat feet. You support yourself on the fingertips. Exactly. First we do half splits. Yes. Inhale, straight elbow, straight spine. Exhale, bend forward. Well, but I forgot the name. Sit as straight as possible. Yes. Bend, 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 and bring your upper body all the way on top of your leg. And again, this is a Yin Yoga posture on your back. For Sphinx. Yoga poses often have the names of animals. Two Sphinx are in the front, I think. I think it's with every pyramid. Your buttocks. Your butt. Because often we have the tendency, and then the lower back is not relaxed. And here the same thing, relax the buttocks. Yes. Stretching the upper leg. Yes, breathe through the stretching. High, the feet high. Yes, bow pose. Yes, up into low plank. As we exhale, high plank. The sides of your feet, hips high, and then stand on one hand. If this is impossible, do like this. Yeah. If you want to do it difficult, tuck both of your feet onto each other, hips high, up, look up. This is difficult for balance. Hips high, look up. Inhale, and as you exhale, relax here. Jump or you step all the way to the front of your mat. Yes. Let me see what time it is. Lie down on your back. Time flies, you see. Both of your knees. It's grounding. All of the tension can be released. And you relax here, and the chin is here as well. Tucked in. Thank you.